So, my dear students of 10th standard, now we are going to study about pH calculation. Already we learned pH is nothing but power of hydrogen ion concentration. So, all the aqueous solution may contain hydrogen and hydroxyl ions due to self-ionization of water. If hydrogen ion is there, means that is going to be acidic in nature. Hydroxyl ion means that is basic in nature. So depends upon the concentration, the pH scale is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration to find out whether it is the given solution is acidic or basic. So in the pH calculation, pH is nothing but that is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So there is a formula, pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus. Negative logarithm, that's why minus sign is given, log 10 H plus, that is the hydrogen ion. Then also if suppose the aqueous solution contain POH, that is nothing but that is the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Hydroxyl ion OH minus ion concentration. That can be written using the formula POH is equal to minus, the minus negative logarithm log 10 OH minus, that is hydroxyl ion concentration. So these are the two formulas you have to learn. pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus, that is a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. POH, that is minus log 10 OH minus, that is the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Then what is the relationship between pH and POH? So normally in the pH scale measurement, that start from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. So we have to know that acid plus base also neutral, which is going to give the sum of all these equal to 14. That is why see pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH plus POH is equal to 14. Already we learned that pH value is less than 7 means the solution is acidic in nature. POH is that pH is greater than 7 means basic in nature. Suppose pH is equal to 7 means that is neutral. That is neutral. So the sum of pH plus POH is always equal to 14. Because if you know if you know pH or POH, you can calculate the other value. If you know pH, you can calculate POH. If you know POH, you can calculate pH using the same formula. pH is equal to POH is equal to 14. Then POH can be calculated from that 14 minus pH. Also pH can be calculated. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. It's a simple formula. Then according to the logarithmic formula is there, that is log 10 A into B. Log 10 A into B. The numbers are in the multiplication. We can write that using the plus sign, log 10 A plus log 10 B. Log 10 A into B can be written log 10 A plus log 10 B, because we are going to apply this in this solving sum. Then log 10, for example, log 10 1 into 10 power minus 2 can be written log 10 1 plus log 10 10 power minus 2. And also you have to know some conversions. All these are very simple, already learned in the max. 0.01, it is equal to what? It is 1 by 100. That can be written 1 into 10 power minus 2. Also 0.001, that can be written 1 by 1000, that is 1 in 10 power minus 3. Also you have to know some values here. Log 10 1 is equal to 0, because we are going to use these values often in the solving problems. Log 10 1 value is 0. Log 10 power 10, log 10, 10. Log 10, 10 is equal to 1. So because these two values are often we are going to use in the solving sum. Log 10, 1 is equal to 0. Log 10, 10 is equal to 1. Now we are going to study about some example sum. See, there is a pH calculation. It is given in the 10.7 of your textbook. pH calculation. Calculate the pH of 0.01 m HNO3. 0.01 m. M is the concentration unit to measure the concentration. Molar, molality, normality. There are different units to measure the concentration. M is to denote the concentration of the solution. And here see HNO3 is given. HNO3. HNO3 is nothing but this is nitric acid. You have to know this is the nitric acid. Nitric acid when it going to decompose in water, what will give? It going to give H plus and NO3 minus, hydrogen ion and nitrate. So it displays hydrogen ion. It's going to give hydrogen ion. So we are going to first understand the given solution is acidic in nature, acid. So it's going to displace hydrogen ion. Going to displace hydrogen ion. So we can use the formula that negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. That is H plus is given. Then H plus is equal to 0.01. 0.01 is given. Hydrogen ion concentration is given because the given solution is acid. Acid is going to displace hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. Then, see next you have to use the formula for hydrogen ion concentration. pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus minus log 10 H plus. Then you have to substitute the H plus value, that is minus log 10 0.01. This is the value given. The hydrogen ion concentration is given 0.01. So this 0.01 can be written. 0.01 is nothing but that is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 2. 1 into 10 power minus 2. So instead of that you can write pH is equal to minus log 10 minus log 10 1 into 10 power minus 2. We can write like this. Then see here it is given in the form of log 10 A into B. Log 10 A into B. You can separate it using the plus sign. Plus sign. That is pH is equal to minus, you can write log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 2. You can write like this. According to the formula log 10 A into B, you can separate the factors given in the bracket using the plus sign. Log 10 1 plus log 10 power log 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2. So I already told what is the value of the log 10 1. The log 10 1 value is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. And you can write, see, next plus log 10 power minus 2. Next step, see, minus 0. This you can bring here minus 2 log 10 minus 2 log 10. See, minus 0 minus, and you can see what is the value of log 10 power 10, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. So you can write minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into 1. So if you are going to read what will get, see that minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. So, pH is equal to 2. pH is equal to 2. So, the given nitric acid pH value is 2. The pH of 0.01 molar nitric acid pH value is equal to 2. Similarly, we can calculate the next sum. See, the next sum can be calculated. You can write the next sum, that is example, the hydroxyl ion concentration of a solution is 1 into 10 power minus 9 m. What is the pOH of the solution? What is the pOH of the solution? This is the second example given in our text. The hydroxyl ion concentration of the solution is 1 into 10 power minus 9 m. 1 into, this is the value given. So hydroxyl ion concentration is given, that is OH minus equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9. This is the value given. So you have to calculate pOH. What is pOH? pOH is the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration, that is minus log 10 OH minus. This formula you have to use for the hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion, it is a basic natured solution. Base is going to displace hydroxyl ion, and acid is going to displace hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Then, so now the same way you have to apply minus log 10. You have to substitute the given hydroxyl ion concentration 1 into 10 power minus 9. That you can write separately, that is log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 9. You can write like this. Now we know the value of log 10 1 already given. Log 10 1 is equal to log 10 1 is equal to 0. Then log 10 is equal to 1. So this value you have to keep in, because this value is only we are going to often use. So minus log 10 1 is equal to 0. You can put 0. Then you can bring this minus 9 here. So you can write minus 9 log 10. You can write like this. Then minus 0. What is the value of log 10? That is equal to 1. So you can write minus 9 into 1. Then if you are going to multiply using the minus into minus plus, and plus 9 into 1, 9. Plus 9 into 1, 9. So the power of hydroxyl ion concentration of the given basic natured solution is, the power of hydroxyl ion concentration of the given basic solution is 9. Then next one question is given. See, a simple that is based on the relationship, that is next example. See, a solution has a pOH of 11.76. A solution has a pOH of 11.76. Then what is the pH of this solution? What is the pH of this solution? See, pOH is given here. See, pOH is given. pOH is equal to 11.76. pOH is equal to 11.76. They asked to calculate what is the pH. You know the simple relationship between pH, pOH, that pH plus pOH, that is equal to 14. So, in the scale of pH scale, the reading start from that is 0, 1, 2, 3 into 14 to 14. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 14. So you know that the sum of pH pOH is always equal to 14. The sum of pH pOH is always equal to 14. So here pOH is given. So you can calculate. That is pH plus pOH value 11.76, that is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus 11.76, that is equal to 2.24. pH value of the given solution is 2.24. So a simple way of calculating pH pOH using the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration and negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration and the relation between pH and pOH. Yes, my dear students, now we are going to study about the pH calculation in the textbook 10.8 problems. Solved examples are there. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar solution of HCl. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar solution of HCl. HCl is an acid, hydrochloric acid. So what we are studying, hydrochloric acid or sodium hydroxide, when they are in the aqueous solution, they are going to displace H plus ions or hydroxyl ion. So HCl going to displace HCl displace H plus ion. So H plus ion means this is acidic natured solution. So we are going to take that pH, the power of hydrogen ion concentration formula we are going to use. So here see 0.01 molar solution is given. So the H plus is 0.01. This can be written at 1 by 1000 in the conversion. You can write the 1 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter. You can convert like this. See here, what is the formula you have to apply? That is simple formula, that negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration minus log 10 H plus. Because this is a hydrogen ion concentration is given here, because this is an acidic natured solution. So you can substitute the value in the very same method. Minus log 10 minus log 10. You can write, see, that is what is the value, that 1 into 10 power minus 3, 1 into 10 power minus 3. So now you can write this according to the log 10 A into B formula, minus log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 3. You can write in the expanded form. And see, now minus log 10 1 value is 0. That he knows, that is 0. Then you can bring this minus 3 here. So minus 3 log 10 log 10. So minus 0. See, what is the value of log 10? Log 10 value is equal to 1. Log 10 value is equal to 1. So you can write, see, minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1. So minus into minus plus. So plus 3 into 1, 3. So the pH value of the given 0.01, the pH value of 0.01 molar solution of HCl is 3. HCl is 3. Now see the second sum, it is, you can see What would be the pH of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid, which is 5 in 10 power minus 5 mole per liter concentration? See now, you know that it is going to say sulfuric acid, H2SO4 is the formula. It is also acidic nature solution, acid. It is an inorganic acid. It is a strong acid. When in aqueous solution, it immediately displays 2H plus ion. See, 1 mole of sulfuric acid give 2 mole of H plus ion. 1 mole of sulfuric acid contain 2 moles of H plus ion. So here in the question it is given 5 into 10 power minus 5 mole. 5 into 10 power minus 5 mole per liter. So it is going to give 2. Each mole going to displace 2H plus ion. So you have to multiply by 2. So it will be that 10 into 10 power minus 5. That can be written in the form of 1.0 in 10 power minus 4. This 10. When you go into multiply, see, we can subtract minus 5 into minus 4. Minus 4, that 1.0 10 power minus 4. This is the concentration. So you can use this formula that H plus hydrogen ion concentration 1.0 10 power minus 4. Then pH is equal to minus log 10 1.0 into 10 power minus 4. So then the similar methods you can apply. Log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 4, then minus log 10 1, value is 0. You can bring this minus 4 here. You can write minus 4 log 10. Then 0. What is the value of this? This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 into 1. So minus into minus plus, then plus 4 into 1, 4. So the pH value of 5 into 10 power minus 5 mole per liter concentration of sulfuric acid is 4. The pH value of 5 in 10 power minus 5 mole per liter concentration of sulfuric acid is 4. The next sum we can see that is next sum. Calculate the pH value of 1 into 10 power minus 4 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a basic alkaline. See here, sodium hydroxide in aqueous solution is going to give Na plus and OH minus. Hydroxyl ion is going to give. So hydroxyl ion concentration is given here. OH minus equal to 1 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter. So this is hydroxyl. So you have to use the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. pOH formula you have to use. So you have to identify whether the given solution is acidic. We're going to give hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion, that you have to identify. Then pOH is equal to minus log 10 OH minus. Then similar methods you can apply. Minus log 10 1. So you can first substitute, that you see, that is 1 into 10 power minus 4. Then minus log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 4. Then you know the value log 10 1 is equal to 0. Same methods. Then you have to bring here minus 4 log 10. So 0. This is going to be 1. So minus 4 into 1. So minus into minus plus. So you are going to get the pH pOH value. pOH value is equal to 4. You are getting the pOH value is equal to 4. So hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to 4. But what is asked here in the question, they asked to calculate pH. They asked to calculate pH. So pOH is calculated. You know the simple relationship between pH and pOH. What is the relationship? pH plus pOH is equal to 14. 14. This is the pH scale. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So here pH, pOH we know 4, that is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. 10. So pH value is 10. So sodium hydroxide, that is 1 in 10 power minus 4 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. The hydroxyl ion concentration is 4, hydrogen ion concentration is 10. Hydrogen ion concentration is 10. The next see, fourth sum, calculate the pH of a solution in which the constant of hydrogen ion concentration 1 in 1.10 power minus 8. The same sum, same H plus ion concentration given, that is 1.010 power minus 8 mole per liter. So you have to use this formula, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion. The same way, all these sums are that is 1.0 in 10 power minus 8. So you can expand this using this log 10 A into B formula. That is 1 plus log 10 power minus 8. Then what is the value of log 10? 1 is equal to 0. Then minus 8. You can bring here minus 8 log 10. So you can write 0. This is going to be 1. So minus 8 into 1. That is minus into minus plus. So you are going to have the pH value is equal to, pH value is 8. pH value is 8. So the pH of a solution of hydrogen ion concentration 1.010 power minus 8 mole per liter is 8. Then next is simple calculation based on the relationship between pH and pOH. Same. Calculate the pH of a solution is 4.5. pH value is given. pH is equal to 4.5. pH value is given. They also calculate pOH. You have to use the relationship between pH and pOH. That is pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 4.5. Then you have to write pOH, which is equal to 14. So pOH is equal to 14 minus 4.5, that is equal to 9.5. So pOH is equal to 9.5. pOH is equal to 9.5. So simple calculations, you have to know that pH formula, that is pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus, then pOH minus log 10 OH minus, then simple relationship you got to know pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Using this simple formula you can calculate this sum, and you have to practice the remaining sums also. So my dear students, now we are going to study how to calculate the pH value of a textbook evaluation, Roman letter 8. See, solve the following problems. First question, lemon juice has pH value 2. What is the concentration of H plus ion? See, the pH value is given here. Usually we are going to calculate pH value. Here pH value is given. They are asked to find out what is the hydrogen ion concentration. So what is the formula for hydrogen ion concentration? That pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus minus log 10 H plus. And you can see the pH is given. pH value is equal to 2. Then minus log 10 H plus, minus log 10 H plus. Then you can multiply. You can multiply. See that pH value. Next to see that multiply either side by minus 1. So when you're going to multiply, what you happen, see, this minus 2, this minus is going to be cancelled. So they can take log 10 h plus log 10 h plus. Then you can write the same derivation, same formula, log 10 h plus is equal to minus 2. Both are same. Minus 2 is equal to log 10 h plus, or log 10 h plus is equal to minus 2. Then, according to the logarithmic calculation, when log 10 is taken to the other side, you can remove the log and write using only 10, that h plus is equal to 10 power minus 2. H plus equal to 10 power minus 2. Then the 10 power minus 2 is nothing but that is 0.01. So 0.01 mole per liter. That is the hydrogen ion concentration of the given solution, which has pH value 2. The lemon juice pH value is 2 and hydrogen ion concentration is 0.01 mole. Also you can write this also you can write in another form. H plus is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 2 m. This is also same. Because 10 power minus 2 can be written 1 by 10 squared. That is equal to 1 by 100. So you can write in this form also. Both the answers are correct. Now see next question. Calculate the pH of 1.0 10 power minus 4 molar solution of nitric acid. HNO3 is a nitric acid that going to displace hydrogen ion. So when an aqueous solution, nitric acid going to displace H plus and nitrate ion. And see, so H plus value is given 1.0 10 power minus 4. So you have to use the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration minus log 10 H plus minus log 10 H plus. Then the remaining steps are similar to the previous sums. That is minus log 10 1.0 into 10 power minus 4. Then minus, you can write in expanded form, that is 1 plus log 10 power minus 4. Then minus the log 10 one value is equal to 0. So when you're going to bring this here, minus 4 log 10. Then minus 0. This value is 1. So 4 into 1. So pH is equal to minus into minus plus 4. pH value, the pH value of 1.0 10 power minus 4 molar solution of nitric acid is 4. Then next one, what is the pH of 1.0 10 power minus 5 molar solution of potassium hydroxide? Here given solution is basic in nature. Hydroxide going to displace hydroxide ion. KOH in aqueous solution displace K plus and OH minus. So we are going to take that negative logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration, that is minus log 10 1.0 and 10 power minus 5. You can write log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 5. Then similar methods, minus, this is 0, minus 5 log 10. Then minus, here see 0, this is going to be 1, so 5 into 1. So when you're going to calculate POH, minus into minus plus, that is plus 5. POH is equal to plus 5. POH is equal to plus 5. Now see, what they asked to calculate pH. They asked to calculate pH. But POH is calculated. So from the pOH we can calculate pH using the relationship between pH and pOH. That is pH plus pOH is equal to always 14. So pH plus the value of pOH is 5 is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus 5. pH is equal to 9. pH is equal to 9. So simple calculation using the formula you can easily derive. Then next one, what is the hydroxyl ion? The fourth sum. The hydroxyl ion concentration of a solution is 1 in 10 power minus 11. What is the pH? Similarly here see hydroxyl is given. The hydroxyl concentration, that is 1 in 10 power minus 11 molar. Then so you have to use negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion. So here minus log 10 1 into 10 power minus 11. You can write in the expanded form, that is minus log 10 1 plus log 10 power minus 11. Then minus, this is going to be 0, then minus 11 log 10, then 0, this value is 1, so minus 11 into 1. So pOH is equal to, that is minus into minus plus pOH is equal to 11. pOH is equal to 11. So you have to find out pH. The relationship is given. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH plus 11 is equal to 14. Then to 14 minus 11, pH is equal to 3. pH is equal to 3. So using the simple formula, there are only the three important formulas, that is pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus this formula, pOH is equal to minus log 10 OH minus, then the relationship between pH and pOH 14. So only these are the three formulas to be used to calculate the pH value, pOH value, or if suppose pH is given, you can calculate the pOH. pOH is given, you can calculate pH using simple relationship. So you can go through all these sums and get the practice of these sums. Sometime questions will be asked from this topic also. So wish you all the best. Thank you.